Okay, so we have the AgiliteKZero that I wanted to pull before it got sent out. And this one, just the quality, the Agilite gear is I would say by far my favorite. In my own personal setup, what I run is Agilite. That's just because the quality that they have, the quality control that they have, is something just to be plain desired. They've got good quality, like I said, can't say it enough. It seems like I'm saying it every other word. Quality, quality, quality in this game matters a lot. You have your different pieces. This one's being sold with the level 3A armor, so that soft armor, nice and flexible still, is the 3A. A good option if you're looking to stop pistols, have a light, easy to run carrier, using it for jumping or practice. This is what you want to go with. And you have your fronts and your backs, you have your sides that wrap around, and the adjustability of just, I can't say enough good things about the Agilite plate carriers. They've really thought them out, and they've done multiple revisions to each of them to make sure they're as good as they can be.